So today I'm reviewing this portable smart air pump. This is basically good for you if you're on the road a lot, if your job requires you to be on the road a lot, or if you're traveling and then you realize like your car gives you a notification that your tire pressure is low, and then you can just pop this in and put on your tires and apply air that you need. I like that it's digital, so you can see how much battery it is and the PSI, everything that you need. Because some of them are not digital. The old one I had was not digital. To turn it on, you have to hold it for 3 seconds, and to turn it off, also hold for 3 seconds. This is where you'll put this at, and let's see what else it has. It has this to put it in your car, like in case it dies. So this is good to always have just in case you realize it's dead. So you can put that in your car and charge it. And it also has things here to put it into your tire and apply the pressure. It's pretty heavy, so do be aware of that. It's a little bit bigger on the bigger side because there's some that I know that are smaller, but this one's it's pretty big and pretty heavy. It's like a good maybe 3 pounds, 4 pounds, and but it comes with a nice pouch, so you won't like it won't collect dust or anything, and you can just put everything in one place. And then once it's time like to apply pressure, or air in your tires, you can put it. You'll know where everything is in one place. So you put all this in here. So that's very nice to have as well. Let's see. But overall, yeah, if you're on the road a lot or you're gonna travel, I feel like it's always best to have a portable air pump in your car.